Hello viewers, greetings from Komal Singh, legal researcher at Enterslice, back with a series of indirect taxes. Today, in this video, we will cover about excise tax compliance. So, have you ever thought about what products excise tax imposed? Excise tax is levied on particular commodities or activities and is intended to bring in government money while discouraging, controlling particular industries or behaviors. Alcohol, tobacco, petrol, and luxury goods are examples of excisable products, whereas gambling and air travel are examples of excisable activities. Now, what do you think? Anyone who grows tobacco or prepare a chemical solution for alcohol can run their businesses. Sell tobacco or alcohol and petrol is not easy as easy selling grocery items. There are some compliances that every business needs to complete. Businesses must comprehend and take the inappropriate actions to fulfill their commitments to comply with excise tax laws. These comprises registration. Organizations that do excisable business must register with the appropriate tax authorities, giving information about the company, acquiring the necessary license or permissions, and establishing a tax identification number are all part of this process. Maintaining accurate and well-organized records is crucial for adhering to excise tax regulations. Companies must keep thorough records of all their transactions, including sales, purchase, inventory, and other pertinent data. These records allow for correct reporting and tax calculations and proof compliance. Reporting and filing. Businesses must notify the tax authority regularly, such as monthly, quarterly, of their excise tax due. They must complete and submit excise tax returns detailing the taxable operations and determining the tax due amount. These entails meeting deadline while delivering the required paperwork and documents to the tax authorities. Payment. Making timely and precise excise tax payment is critical. Businesses must pay their taxes on time by the deadline specified by the taxing authorities. The tax authorities typically provide payment options and instructions. Audit and enforcements. To ensure that the comprises pay their excise taxes, tax authorities have the right to audit them. The tax authorities may examine the company records, perform inspections, and demand extra paperwork during audit. Non-compliance can result in fine, legal penalties, and even reputational harm for the companies. Businesses can prevent legal problems, financial penalties, and reputational damages by comprehending and observing the standards for excise tax compliance. Excise tax compliance also involves abiding by specific rules about the commodities or activities subject to excise taxes. These standards may include labeling products, specifications, sales or distribution limitation, and other industry-specific guidelines. To remain in compliance, businesses must become aware of these rules and make sure they are followed. So now we will understand how does excise tax compliance work. In excise tax compliance, several procedures and actions are used to ensure companies fulfill their duties. These excise tax compliance normally operates as mentioned below. Companies must get familiar with the particular excise tax laws and regulations about their businesses or activity sector. These includes specifying the products or activities subject to excise taxes, the applicable tax rates, the required filing requirements, and any applicable exclusions or deductions. Businesses that engage in excisable activities must register with the appropriate tax authorities. These entails giving the required information about the company, such as its legal makeup, contact information, and registration goal. Maintaining accurate records is essential for complying with the excise tax regulations. Companies must keep thorough records of all their transactions, including sales, purchase, inventory, and other pertinent data. These data are utilized for reporting and figuring out excise tax liabilities and proof of compliance. Depending on the particular excise tax regulations, firms may be in charge of obtaining excise taxes from clients at the point of sale, retailers, for example, may include the amount of the excise tax in the cost of the goods supplied and charged for the customer for it. Companies must inform the tax authorities regularly of their excise tax liabilities. Now, what do you think? Every business owners have to pay excise duty? No, excise taxes are often paid by organizations or people who produce, sell or consume particular items or carry out certain activities depending on the jurisdiction and the type of excise tax levied. Different entities may be accountable for paying the certain excise taxes. Here are some examples of that. Manufacturers. The makers or manufacturers of accessible items frequently bear the initial cost of excise taxes. They are responsible for figuring out how much tax to collect and pay and send to the government. For example, brewers that produce beer must pay excise taxes, as must cigarette producers who produce tobacco goods. Importers. In most cases, the importers pay the necessary excise taxes when accessible commodities are brought into a nation. These helps shields domestic producers from unfair competition and ensures that the tax is paid at the point of entry into the nations. Wholesalers and distributors. In some cases, excise taxes are recouped from wholesalers or distributors who buy products subject to excise duty from manufacturers and then sell them to retailers or customers depending on the number or value of the commodities they handle. These intermediaries may be required to pay the tax. Retailers. At the moment of sale, retailer may also be subject to collecting excise taxes. Retailers collect the tax from the consumers by including it in the price of the goods or services. The store is then in charge of remitting the tax to the government. Now, consumers. In some circumstances, consumers directly pay excise taxes. For example, consumers often pay the tax as part of the retail price when buying tobacco or petrol. In this situation, the compliance serve as middlemen to collect the tax on the government's behalf. Enterslice offers comprehensive services for businesses to ensure compliances with excise tax regulations. Our services encompass excise tax registration, compliance review, tax calculation and planning, filing of excise tax returns, documentation, etc. So if you require any assistance, feel free to reach us on the number mentioned below on screen or visit our website www.enterslice.com. Thank you.